If you are in the market for a sporty and premium pair of true wireless headphones, you've probably been looking at the Beats PowerBeats Pro. They're Apple's most premium true wireless model, and they're pretty great. Well, there's a new contender in this space. It's called the Klipsch T5 True Wireless, and we're here to compare and contrast them from Apple's top model. The biggest difference between these two pairs of headphones comes in terms of design. The Klipsch come in this beautiful, small, metal hard case that's designed to kind of look like a Zippo lighter, and the headphones themselves are very compact. They fit super well in your ears, and they're just a really nice, small listening device on the go. The Beats PowerBeats Pro are different. They come in a large clamshell case. This case is really designed to be kept in like a backpack rather than in your pocket. And the headphones themselves come with a built-in clip, so when you're working out, they'll stay very secure on your ears. Downside, they're a little bit larger and they look larger on your ears when you're out and about. Both these headphones feature really soft silicone ear tips, so you'll get a great seal no matter where you are. Besides the size difference, there is a difference in battery capacity in the charging cases. Despite what you might expect, the smaller case actually has more battery. This charging case features 24 hours of battery life, whereas the Beats PowerBeats Pro just has 18. And I say just, but that's still quite a lot of juice from a charging case. The headphones themselves differ in a single hour of playback. The Klipsch T5 True Wireless have 8 hours of playback, whereas the Beats PowerBeats Pro have 9 hours. That's not a major difference, but if you're listening all day at work, something maybe to consider. One thing we like about both pairs of these headphones is that they feature physical buttons for controls. That's great when you're working out because your hands can be sweaty and touch controls don't always work. Both have physical buttons to play and pause music and skip songs. The difference is that the PowerBeats Pro have a volume rocker on each headphone, which is actually quite nice if you need to quickly adjust volume on the fly. To do that on the T5 True Wireless, you've got to press and hold a button on either side. Left side lowers volume, right side raises volume. Not a huge difference, but we do prefer the rocker. If you're an iOS user, the Beats PowerBeats Pro are going to be great for you. They pair very quickly with iOS devices, you can find the headphones, and they even show you how much battery is left right when you pair the headphones. That's awesome. If you're an Android user though, they don't have those features. So if you're an Android user, the T5 True Wireless, which work equally well with iOS and Android, are probably going to be the better headphones in terms of functionality. We have yet to see it, but Klipsch plans on launching an app with these headphones when they come out in July, and it'll allow you to adjust things like equalization and hopefully have a hear-through, which will allow you to use the 4 microphones on the outside of these headphones to pipe in sound from the outside world. That's not confirmed yet. What we do know is that the Beats PowerBeats Pro lack that functionality. So right now, these are both even in terms of the fact that you cannot pipe in sound from the outside world when you're working out. That's not ideal, but something that you'll have to deal with. Both of these headphones are IPX4 rated, which means they'll do very, very well in the gym. You don't have to worry about sweating in them. You can wipe them off with a damp cloth when you're done, and you don't have to worry about that damaging your headphones. And that's pretty great. In terms of actually working out in them, the Beats PowerBeats Pro have a slight advantage in terms of fit in that they have these built-in clips, which means they stay a little bit more secure on your ears. That said, I've personally ran a few miles in the Klipsch T5 True Wireless and haven't had a problem with them coming out of my ears. In terms of sound quality, both of these are on the upper echelon of true wireless headphones. They feature really dynamic bass response that allows you to differentiate between like kick drums and actual bass. And the mid-range is really nice. They both allow you to hear the difference between like acoustic guitars and piano and electric guitars and have them occupy their own space in the sound signature. Both can be a little bit shrill up top when you turn them up very high, but you know, these are both great sounding pairs of headphones and you won't be disappointed between either of them. In terms of connection, one thing we really like about the T5 True Wireless is that they feature the aptX codec, which is a high quality Bluetooth codec, so you make sure you're getting all of the best possible sound from your device. And speaking of connection, it is worth noting that in our review unit, we did have some intermittent connection issues with the Beats PowerBeats Pro. That said, we haven't heard that from other reviewers and there hasn't been an outcry from the general public, but it is something to make sure you're aware of. Okay, so which pair would I buy? So at $199, I think the T5 True Wireless are an excellent pair of premium true wireless headphones. They really do everything you'd expect. They have a beautiful case, they sound awesome, and you know, they're a great buy. That said, if you're an iOS user and you really want something that's incredibly seamless with your phone, paying the $50 premium for the $250 Beats PowerBeats Pro might be worth it. These are a great pair of headphones as well, and honestly, we're not gonna judge you regardless of the pair that you choose. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment below and let us know which ones you think are better. And check out our full reviews of both of these headphones on the Digital Trends site, as well as like and subscribe to the Digital Trends page on YouTube.